All right, guys, we are very excited to have you here with us today in this fragile do not stab, drive, or set on fire.
Ow, my legs.
Why was that so fragile? We could have fully set that on fire. Dear Braille, our names are CJ Morrow, Blaze Cott, and Matt Savage. We are 13 years old and live in Simsbury, Connecticut. Have fun on the candy corn and don't eat them. Don't eat them.
Are you funny?
I think I heard him. We use glue that is toxic. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, skatepark_noobs. Skatepark Noobs. Let's go, guys. Also follow us on Instagram, Skatepark Noobs. Thank you for making amazing videos. Sincerely, the Skatepark Noobs.
Do you guys like candy corn at all?
I love candy corn. Why won't they give us the rest of the package?
Candy corn.
I mean, I'll eat it, like if there's nothing else to eat and I'm on an island starving to death. That escalated quickly. They made the beat.
How many do you think are gonna fall off in this session?
All of them.
All of them.
We always have to do the video that makes the most mess first.
Look at these, look like molars.
All right, notification squad, leave it in the comments below. You know what to do. Make sure your notifications are turned on. Leave it in the comments below. Subscribe, like, and share this video. And we will choose one of you to win a prize package. But you have to guess how many candy corn are on this. Carlos will count them really quick.
Look at this
47.
in there.
Do not eat the candy corn, toxic glue. I'm glad they said that.
I know.
Guaranteed we would have been eating
I
them.
want him.
I wouldn't even eat one just because it's candy corn.
2 bowls is fine.
I'm not sure where this board came from, but
It looks a little used.
slightly used. I'm not complaining.
Oh my
I want to say it's
god.
But it
mongoose. I
might
want to say
be.
it's a mongoose.
Yeah.
Wait,
Wait,
whoa, what?
Oh no.
What's going on? Oh no. We might have to drill a hole in this. This is not your standard wheelbase here.
Oh yeah, here we go. Golden. Although, what's up with that wheel? Something wrong with that?
Yeah. Wow, it's fully separated already. Look at this.
Thanks, candy corn.
Yeah, boy.
Okay.
This video is getting a little bit corny. Kickflip off for a piece of candy.
I got candy on there.
Wait, why did you pull?
What?
Starburst.
Oh yeah. Oh no. First try.
Oh, this is gonna make such a mess.
It feels like the teeth, only worse.
Oh, no.
Ah, one hit me in the arm.
Carlos' turn.
Oh god. Oh my goodness, what the heck?
Daniel's eating it.
That Aussie! Toxic glue!
It's fun.
Oh my god.
Y'all don't want to see me kickflip.
It's the hardest thing ever. They're also getting squished.
Oh, that's gross.
That is gross.
Y'all don't want to see me kickflip. Told you.
It's actually like the best one so far.
One hit me in the lip.
Did it really?
It was close.
You have toxic glue in your mouth now.
Still can't do it. Oh my goodness.
Maybe it's because of the candy in your hand.
Whoa! Taste the rainbow.
Why is one of your pants rolled up and the other one isn't?
It's been a long morning, Gabe.
No wonder you're not landing it.
I will.
Your homeostasis is all out of whack.
You want to see this kickflip? You want to see this kickflip? Bam, cuz, look at that.
Let's get a cleanup on aisle Braille house.
Let's clean up on aisle B.
I don't like your attitude right now, Carlos.
Hey, I woke up in a good mood. I'm gonna land this. The corn did a rock to fakie on its own.
You went
That's
full
the best.
ham bone.
That was a corny joke.
I don't get it. I can't do it.
Aaron, you got to do a kickflip on the cob.
I got to do this before Aaron Pyro.
People of the corn.
Butter up that corn, baby.
Nigel, put your front foot on there, boy!
I know.
I don't even think it's the corn on the cob. I think it's the trucks.
Oh no, don't hurt yourself.
I hit a candy corn. See, kickflips are just not fun.
Aaron, help this man kickflip, please.
Flick. Land.
What's up with that foot position?
Not
now?
even trying anymore. He can kickflip. He's just faking it.
All right, I'll kickflip.
We're good. Okay, we're good.
I'm so scared. What if this entire time Nigel could kickflip like the best out of everyone?
He
He's just
can.
been acting.
Tray flip off. Maybe we just go into a game of skate?
Tray flip off and then game of skate. And then you'll be fully warmed up and ready to go.
Yeah, right.
So sticky.
Wow.
Skating this board on its own would be a video of its own. It's just weird.
It's a weird
Look at
shape.
it.
It's
Look at
like
it. Now
it's
that
like a
you-
northern pike. Sharp nose and. Ugh.
It's 1957, vintage skateboard.
So I don't skateboard. I'm actually a professional scooter. So I'm gonna leave this to you guys.
Fetty's up to something and it's kind of making me nervous.
Fetty, what are you doing?
No, it looks like corn if you stack it.
Oh, wow.
That's why it's called candy corn.
You're gonna make a whole
Mind blown.
You know, I kind of...
All right, let's play a
It's
game of
like
skate.
corn henge, you know?
Wow.
Oh!
Trey Reaver.
Okay, we're gonna play a game of skate now.
Corn.
Corn.
A game of corn? C-O-R-N?
corny.
C-O-R-N.
Why?
I will drop kick you,
You're
little
gonna
man.
add the word.
K-O-R-N. Corn.
3, 2, 1.
Candy! Don't need to pay attention to win.
Of course I go last.
He's last.
Dang it! No! Nobody's paying attention.
Give him the letter for going out of order. Wow.
Hey, Lastra, get it together. We're going here.
It's the first video of the day, okay? It's too early. It's too early.
Wow.
Your mind must be in a maze right now. 'Cause you're really shocked. Get it?
Wow.
Held on to that for the Nebraska Corn Huskers.
Hey, this isn't a corn pun, but why did the Scarecrow get the Employee of the Month award?
Because he couldn't cross the road.
Because he was outstanding in his field. Come on, no?
That was good.
Thank you.
That was good.
Yeah, we should just give Nigel a win for
Game
that.
over.
Okay, dude, something about this board is just insane.
Buddy, what did you just do?
I did nothing.
Did you just break it?
Why rebate? That was perfect. I did break the tail off. Did you? A little bit. You want me to rebate that?
Well, let's see how the grip tape is holding up here. Oh, that's pretty.
That was ugly, but.
Don't talk about yourself that way.
I got him a letter. Carlos got a letter, baby. I can't do that dance. It's stupid.
I've never seen anyone
Yes!
move that fast.
I got him a letter. I'm on a roll, baby.
Say Oklahoma. Say
What about West Virginia?
West Virginia.
Boy, you watch your ankle.
I like how it all pops off every single time.
I know, how is there still any left?
Glue. A lot of popcorn.
I'm not going to land it. Not with that attitude. I'm gonna land it. Not gonna land it. How you doing today, though? You doing all right?
Yeah, very nice.
Your hair
thanks.
looks good.
Thank you.
I wonder what this graphic is, man. It's like, you don't remember the old TVs, that distortion?
Yeah.
That's what this board reminds me of.
Come on.
I suck at varios, Gabe, you know that.
A piece of candy corn popped off and then like floated at you.
It's the first video of the day, guys. We're all warming up. It's cold in here.
Do you believe in life after love?
That was nearly the exact same bail you had the last time you tried that trick.
Okay,
Film me
Commander,
again.
I will not fail you this time.
Better not.
No, right here.
Jeggings, son. Hey, you got some jeggings on, son? Those some jeggings, huh?
And I ran over a piece of candy corn.
Well done.
That's such a good song. Do you believe?
That's fine.
That was
That's
awful.
fine.
That was the worst thing I've ever
I don't
seen.
frontside flip, ready.
My body doesn't turn
Falling
that
on
way.
every attempt.
Oh, that's good.
Young Pyro got that. I don't like this trick.
I love your hard flips.
You're like the one person that loves them. Have you seen that little kid that does that? Hey, bud! I'll show you after
Don't
this.
talk to me.
Okay.
I gotta redeem myself.
I saw you try to focus that right there.
I lost it, so I had to bring it back.
Ah, I streaks myself.
Yes.
Should I just do all tricks I don't know how to do?
I heard something snap. No! Give it to him.
You cobbed onto that one.
How did you land that? What was that?
I call it the Sasquatch. That's my celebration dance. Oh, fork. I don't know how I stayed on the first one.
That first one was incredible.
I know. You got one more try, Nigel.
It's funny, I could do fakie all day, but nollie, no.
Hey, the corn on the cob at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Oh, God, it's so good.
So good.
Oh, you've had it?
No.
Wow, that was really good. Uh-oh. Good.
Ah, it hits.
RR.
Oh no.
Say it like a-
Why didn't the... Never mind.
Believe this board lasted the whole game. Look, I almost broke the tail off on the first heel flip, which is the first trick.
Can you focus it?
Yeah, hold on,
Think
take it
I
down
can
the set.
focus it?
Take it down the
Go
set.
ahead. Take it down the set.
Why are we letting Carlos try to break this thing?
No, give me 2 more tries. I can
Give me 2 more tries to break.
Is the ankle okay?
I'm fine.
Is your groin muscle still attached?
That hurts.
First try.
Trey, revert. You don't need a nose to revert.
I did get that.
Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate every single one of you guys. And for all the people that send us these incredible boards, thank you so much. Definitely go and follow their YouTube channel. Link will be in the description below. And if you have some rad idea, send us an email about it. Skate it at brailleskateboarding.com.
It smells like peaches.
It is
Oh,
peaches.
or is that you?
That's me.
Yeah, that doesn't smell like peaches.
Thank you. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And we want you, yes, you, to learn how to skateboard. So go to brailleskateboarding.com and get everything you need. All right, guys, we're super excited about the holiday special. Click the link in the description below and go find out what it is.